Welcome to this comprehensive guide on two essential concepts in sales: the sales funnel and the sales pipeline. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they represent distinct approaches to managing and understanding the sales process. By the end of this video, you will understand the differences, similarities, and how to use both strategies together to drive revenue growth. In this session, we will explore what each model is and when to use it. We will break down the stages of both the sales funnel and the sales pipeline. We will compare them side by side to highlight their unique strengths. And finally, we will discuss how to combine these tools for maximum effectiveness in your business. A sales funnel is a visual representation of the customer journey from initial awareness to final purchase. Think of it like a funnel shape. It starts wide at the top with many potential customers and narrows down as people move through each stage. The funnel focuses on understanding customer behavior, identifying drop-off points, and optimizing the buying experience to convert more prospects into paying customers. The sales funnel typically has 4 key stages. First is awareness. Potential customers discover your product or service. Second is interest. They learn more and evaluate whether it meets their needs. Third is consideration. They compare your solution with competitors. And fourth is decision. They make the final purchase choice. Each stage represents a critical moment where customers can either move forward or drop out. The sales funnel offers several important advantages. It helps you understand customer behavior at each stage of their journey. It identifies where prospects are dropping out so you can improve those weak points. It reveals how your marketing efforts translate into actual sales. And it provides insights into what content and messaging resonates with your audience at each stage, allowing you to optimize your marketing strategy. A sales pipeline is a structured process for managing deals from initial contact to closing. Unlike the funnel, which focuses on customer behavior, the pipeline focuses on your team's activities and progress. It tracks the specific deals your sales team is working on, the stage of each deal, and the estimated revenue. The pipeline is about managing workflow, tracking accountability, and forecasting future revenue. A typical sales pipeline has 5 stages. Prospect, potential customers identified for outreach. Lead, someone who has shown interest and engaged with your company. Qualified lead, a prospect who meets your criteria and is ready to buy. Negotiation, actively discussing terms and moving toward closing the deal. And finally, closed, the deal is won and the customer is acquired. Each stage represents an action your team is taking to move the deal forward. The sales pipeline provides crucial operational advantages. It gives clear visibility into all active deals and their current status. It allows managers to forecast revenue based on the deals in progress and their probability of closing. It tracks team activities and performance metrics. It ensures accountability by showing who is responsible for each deal. And it enables better resource allocation by identifying where bottlenecks exist in your sales process. Here is how these two models differ. The sales funnel is macro and focuses on understanding broad customer behavior patterns across many prospects. The pipeline is micro and focuses on managing individual deals. The funnel answers the question, why are customers buying? The pipeline answers, what deals are we closing? The funnel is primarily a marketing tool, while the pipeline is primarily a sales management tool. The funnel helps you optimize the customer experience, while the pipeline helps you optimize team performance and revenue forecasting. These tools serve complementary purposes, and both are essential for growth. The funnel tells you if your marketing is working and attracting the right customers. The pipeline tells you if your sales team is converting those customers effectively. Using only a funnel means you understand customer behavior, but may miss revenue forecasting and team accountability. Using only a pipeline means you track deals well, but miss insights into why customers choose you or don't choose you. Together, they create a complete picture of your revenue engine. For the sales funnel, track conversion rate, which shows the percentage of people moving from one stage to the next. Track drop-off rate to identify where prospects abandon the journey. Track customer acquisition cost to understand your marketing efficiency. And track time to convert to see how long the buying process takes. For the sales pipeline, track deal value to understand your revenue potential. Track sales velocity to see how quickly deals move through stages. Track win rate to measure how often your team closes deals. And track forecast accuracy to improve your revenue predictions. The sales funnel and sales pipeline are not competing models. They are complementary tools that serve different purposes in your revenue organization. The sales funnel focuses on understanding customer behavior and optimizing the buying journey. The sales pipeline focuses on managing activities and forecasting revenue from deals in progress. Use both together to drive predictable, sustainable revenue growth and create a winning sales strategy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.